Hi guys, welcome back to tcnxty. This is Adnaan. Ahmed back with another video. So guys, here's a brand new box of Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G, and this box comes with uh, what are the contents of one adapter, one cable, one SIM ejection pin, one user manual, and a mobile phone. So let's check. The MRP given in the box is 75,000, but then I got it for a very cheaper price. So let's start with the unboxing by just opening the box. I've just opened the seal because I had opted for the Flipkart delivery thing. So now here's the phone on the top. Let me just take this out. I have ordered the cold mint color. So let me just keep this aside. Made in India branding over there on the top. And then what else do we get in the box? There is no case. There is a charger, adaptive fast charging, and I don't think so it's a fast charger. The phone supports 25 watts, but then apparently we get a slow charger in the box, and I guess this is the charging cable. Let me just check. This is a type C cable with a normal USB on the other side. That's all is the content in the box. So let's get over to the phone and let's check how the first boot looks like. Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G, secured by Knox Security, powered by Android. So behind there are three rear cameras, and on the right there is a volume button and the power button. On the bottom side you have a type C port and the speaker grills. On the top there is a SIM tray and a mic. So let me just set up and let me first check for the SIM ejection tool. Where is that? There's no SIM ejection tool as mentioned on the box, or whether it's inside this. There's nothing inside this. So is that all, or there is something more here? Oh, there's a case, I guess. Oh, there was a case inside the box and also a user manual. No, there's no case. It's just a user manual, warranty card, and then the SIM ejection tool. So that's all. So let's check. I know it comes with the hybrid SIM slot. Let's check that though in the video once. Oh, that sounds so metallic. Let me just open this. So this is the SIM slot, hybrid SIM slot, SIM on this side and SD card on this side. So let me just put that back into place. And now here is the phone. We'll need to first set up the phone. So guys, I have done with the setup, and there are a few bloatware apps over here. Oh, my Galaxy, let's uninstall that. Oh, few things can't be uninstalled. Samsung Global's uninstall, game launcher. I don't think I need them. Facebook, who uses Facebook? And then there's YT Music and a few Google products, and then a lot of Samsung applications. I don't need any of those, and let's just delete that later. So this is the phone, and let's check the camera. Let me just click a quick pic of this sheet over here, and let's just zoom in, and you can see the details. Everything is clear and sharp, and the dirt on my finger is also clearly visible. So that's the quality of the rear cameras. There are more options. There is a 3x of zoom, and then a 30x hybrid zoom, I guess. And clearly nothing will be visible because it's too close now. And then there's a front camera and me there. So this is all about Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G variant with the 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. And thanks for watching, guys. Meet you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.